going on, guys? This is your boy GSDLM here, bringing us another video. Now today what we're going to be doing is unboxing two Supreme packages I just got in the mail today. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and open this one first because I already know what's in this one, and this one we'll save it for last. But yeah, if I go ahead and just take this out, yeah, it's the Mophie. I just knew it was the Mophie just because it was heavy and it was obviously a rectangular shape. So it looks like Supreme had trouble boxing this for me. It looks like there's some damage right there, but nothing too crazy. I think it's just this black box. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide it out really quickly. Alright guys, so here we have the Mophie Encore 20K Supreme. It says right there. In the back, I guess we just have instructions. So I'm guessing you open it. Yeah, you open it from there. So double aluminum housing, power input. So it looks like we have two power inputs, priority charging, and LED power indicator. Extra battery when you need it. 23 hours for a tablet, a large tablet. 37 for a small tablet, and 105 hours for a smartphone. That's a lot of hours. So yeah, I got the black one, as you guys see right here. It looks beautiful in person. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out really quickly. I'm gonna have to pull this right here and then take it out like that. And yeah, here it is. I already got my fingerprints on it. As you guys can see, I believe it already comes on. So let me, yeah, it comes on, as you guys can see right there, powered up. So this is such a cool, it's kind of heavy device right here. In the back it says Mophie. Right there are some, fuck, I forgot the names. They're just some, fuck dude, I'm just gonna say logos. I know they're not logos. But yeah, it just tells you where to charge it and all that stuff back there. But yeah, in the front, you guys can see it's so beautiful. It says Supreme right there. It's such a, in my opinion, so much better than the red one because it's just so much cleaner. But yeah, this was the Supreme Mophie. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the last package. Oh, and I just got, I got two box logo stickers right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the other package, and I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, so I opened it, and as you guys can see, this is a Champion jacket right here. Really nice quality, man. Up in the corner right there, it has a Champion logo, it has a Champion logo going across, as you guys can see. And then it's in the black, as you guys can see. This is a medium. In the front, it says Supreme. Let me flip it really quickly so you guys can see in the front. That's where it says Supreme. Champion Supreme right there. Adult size M right here. So yeah, this is really, really cool, man. I actually really enjoy the quality. So yeah, I already sold this, so I'm gonna go ahead and ship it out later today. But yeah, honestly, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys how this looked like in person. Here's the Mophie again. Let me open it up for you guys. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this unboxing, please be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I am out.